What's up, you guys? Alexandra here, and today we are going to be getting into a brand new makeup subscription box. I'm going to give you the full investigative details behind it, and we are also going to unbox it right now on this channel today. And on top of that, you guys, and I'm not even saying this lightly, this thing just very well may be better than both BoxyCharm and Ipsy. I'm not kidding. I know. So I have had a ton of you guys reach out to me in the last couple of weeks asking me if I knew any information or could find out any information about a new makeup subscription box called The Box. Okay, and this is by Fashionsta. Now, as most of you guys probably know, Fashionsta itself is a website. It's kind of like a magazine website online where it gives you tips and tricks and what new brands are coming out, new releases, and just everything makeup and fashion and that kind of thing. So when you get on Fashionista.com's website, you can't find any information about this subscription box called The Box. And then when you click on the links and things that you're finding on Facebook and everything, it's an affiliate link. And just the same as you guys, I tracked the person down who that link belonged to. I reached out to them and she did not respond back to me. So same as you guys, I was thinking this is definitely a scam. It has to be a scam. I mean, this box is only $19.99 a month. It's free shipping, no tax. It has all brands that you would see in like Sephora and Sigma and influencer brands, just amazing brands. I was like, there's no way. This has to be a scam or a liquidated box or something like that. So when I was going around on his actual website, I saw this picture right here, which as you guys can see, I actually have this product. And not only do I have this product, but I know the influencer that makes it. So this is Gleam Body by Melanie Mills Hollywood. She is an amazing makeup artist, and she is also the one who did my and my daughter's makeup when we were on the television show The Real. Okay, she has worked on Dancing with the Stars, which is actually where she developed and made this product and came up with a formula for it at. Okay, and I happen to have her business card and her cell phone number and her Instagram information. So I reached out to her and I was like, hey girl, what's going on? I'll show you the message here. I was like, you know, what can you tell me about this box? Because I tried reaching out to them. I tried reaching out to this affiliate. I'm not finding anything. People are thinking that it's a scam. Are you working directly with them? What can you give me? You know, what kind of information can you give me about this box? I need the skinny, you know what I'm saying? And she answered right back and she was like, yeah, they're absolutely legit. Yes, we are directly working with them. They are just released to the public here recently. At that same time that Melanie actually got back to me, Shop Fashionista, The Box, actually reached back to me because I also reached out to them as well. And they got back to me as well. They sent me a direct link to their website, so not an affiliate link, which I have for you guys. So what the problem is, you need to actually go to www.shopfashionista.com, and that's where it has the box. So I do have a direct link for you if you want it, and I also have an affiliate link because I am testing that out. A lot of people were saying that they thought that was a scam, so I am trying that out as well. So if you would like to use my affiliate link, it is down below, and I have all of that information for you as well as the box. Now, I will tell you guys, they do not use liquidators. That is 100% for sure, okay, which I am so excited about. And basically, the way this worked is this was an influencer only box. So before they actually put out the box, they are selling, if you get on the actual website, you can see you can actually buy all of these makeup products that are in this box. So Becca, Stila, NARS, what have you. You can buy it on their website directly for a discounted price. So that's how they got to working with all of these high-end brands. That's how they built these relationships. And then they decided to start doing a subscription box, but only to influencers, okay? So you had to be an influencer to get your hands on this box. And they've had it out for a little bit now, and while they were having it out, they have also been watching all these other subscription boxes as well, and kind of seeing what they were doing and what they were doing wrong and what people were complaining about and what people really liked, and they kind of made some adjustments. They do have a fabulous system. Basically, if you get this box, okay, so like I got this box, this is July's box. Some of the products in it are from June's box. So, you know, some of the things that I really liked about June's box, I actually ended up getting in this box. But then next month in August, in my August box, I will get some of the July products along with some of the August products. And they have a state-of-the-art system to where you guys will not get a repeat product. How awesome is that? So it's like all the things about BoxyCharm and Ipsy that we can't stand, that's what this box did right, okay? So the only issue that I see with it, that I see that some people might have with it, now I don't have a problem with this. I don't care. I think this is amazing what they're doing here. But they do have several variations, like 4 to 5 variations to each box. You don't really get to pick your variations. They don't really have a questionnaire or anything like that. But I mean, you're getting almost $200 worth of amazing product in one box for 20 bucks, less than 20 bucks technically, and free shipping. And you know, I mean, I think it's absolutely amazing. Like, these are products that you would never see in BoxyCharm, you would never see in Ipsy, quite frankly, because of the way that they're doing it. That's the only reason why they are able to pay for and do this for you guys. And the wait list is currently open, so you guys can subscribe to this box currently, but I will tell you, it's gonna close quickly, very, very quickly. So let's go ahead and open my July the box and see what's inside, because I am so excited. I did absolutely pay for this because, again, I wanted to know all the information for you guys. I wanted you guys to see it as well. So let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. So I will tell you guys, I did open this yesterday. I did peek. I didn't open it, and I'll show you right now what I'm talking about. So when you open it, there's the little card and stuff inside. So I just looked at this, but as you can see, like, this is all still sealed. So I haven't actually got into it. I just basically wanted to get this card out, and I would just like to point this out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products, total of 178. I did look up each one of these products individually and price check them. They all are correct. They are all priced correctly on this card. So excited. They also give you a little code here for 30% off of the website. So that is, you know, like I said, you can buy any of the makeup products that you see on that website for 30% off. So that's like an amazing discount. And then I will show you guys on here, just so you guys can see. I did absolutely pay for this box, and as I said, there is no shipping. So I just wanted to show you guys that. All right, so again, as you can see, the box here is got like a little sticker. Can I pull it without ripping it? Oh yeah. So very, very pretty and nicely packaged. It's got some little stuff on top here. I'm so excited. All right, let's see what is in here. Oops, turn my mirror on. Okay, so the first thing I am seeing, and it looks like it accidentally came open, but that's not a big deal. So this is the Beauty Blender Queen. Oh my God, it is so cute. And I don't have a pink one. I have a white one, but I don't have a pink one. So obviously we all know Beauty Blender, those things are 20 bucks right off the rip. So that right there pays for your entire box. Okay, the next product, this is from Air Altelier. This is an eye primer, crease-free color lock. I did look this product up. It is apparently an amazing product. I cannot wait to try this out. I am so excited. It says Beauty Inherited. So let's open this up. Oh yeah. Ooh, you know what this reminds me of? You guys can like probably not even see it. It has like the same consistency and feel as like the Urban Decay potion primer, like that's exactly what this feels like. So I'm kind of excited about trying that out. All right, and this retails for $32. So far we got $52 right here. Okay, the next product we have in here, this is from Lorac, Los Angeles. It is the Alter Ego Lip Gloss. So I know these right here go for about 20 bucks. I just looked on here, it says 17. So this color is not a color that I would wear, so I'm not gonna swatch it because I will put this in a giveaway, because I actually have the Lorac lipstick, Alter Ego lipstick, that this would go perfect with in a giveaway stuff. So that will go in there and that'll be perfect. Oh my gosh, you guys, look, they even individually package stuff. This is so nice. Like, I mean, opening this box, like how it feels like a luxe box. Like you are getting luxe products for sure. Bam! That's why they had it so nicely packaged. So this is, let's see, Salt Mermaid Facial Oil. So this is Salt by Hendrix. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of this. This is an amazing company. They have amazing skincare products. This retails for $39. And it says it is a highly moisturizing yet light as a feather. This beautiful oil is designed to assist with improving skin elasticity, and will be absorbed quickly on the skin. It's rich in omega-6, omega-9 fatty acids, vitamin A and E, linoleic and oleic acids, and this facial oil is a superfood for your skin. So that is pretty awesome right there. I'm pretty excited to try that out. I've been getting a lot of like oils and stuff here lately. The last one I got, I put in the tornado victim giveaway stuff. Well, it's not really giveaway stuff that I'm donating to the tornado victims, and so I didn't get to try it out, so I'm pretty excited to try this one. All right, the next thing here is the BFF Best Friends Forever Makeup Eraser 2-pack. So you got one for you, one for your friend. I just got a makeup eraser for the first time this month, or the end of last month, but it's this month's box in my Bijou Beauty box. That was an awesome, amazing unboxing too, and I'm really excited for Bijou Beauty box in August. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna link that video right up here for you. But since I got one of these, I will put this in a giveaway as well. So those are exciting, and those are 20 bucks for sure. I know that they're 20 bucks. So, okay. The next thing we have here is the Tartlet in Bloom Amazonian Clay Palette. Now I look this up as well, and this is still $46 on Tarte's website. Now I am not going to get into this because I have so many Tarte palettes, you guys. This is just like how it would be when you buy it. Like, this is not no crap that you get in BoxyCharm where they don't have the box and all the paperwork. I mean, this is just like how it would be if you purchased it from Sephora right here, you guys. So I'm just gonna pop it open here and show you guys. It does have the little thing there. Oops, show you there. See there? Very pretty. So I am going to put this back on here, and again I'm gonna put this in a giveaway because again I just have so many Tarte palettes, you all. Like, it's insane. Absolutely insane. All right, and last but not least, I have an SF I Woke Up Like This gold foil eye mask. I have seen these in Ulta, and these are $4. So our total retail box value came to $178, you guys. Let's recap. We got the eye mask, we got the Tartlet in Bloom palette, which I'm going to close up. We got the beauty blender. I'm excited about this. The Air Altier eye primer. They have the mermaid oil face treatment. We got the double duty beauty blender. We got the Lorac lipstick. Is that everything? I think that's everything. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, that's 7 items. That's everything. So yes, you guys, this box is definitely legit. It is definitely amazing. As you can tell, I'm so excited to see what I get next month. When I saw that they are going to have the Sigma palettes in there, that Warm Neutrals 2 palette, you guys, you want to talk about an amazing palette. Like, oh my God. I hope I have the Warm Neutrals 1. I don't have 2. I really want the 2. I've been like holding off on buying it, but wanting to buy it, but not buying it, but wanting to buy it. So I kind of hope it's in next month's box. But yes, this box is absolutely amazing. I am so excited to share it with you guys. If you would like to sign up for it, you are more than welcome to use my affiliate link down below. I love you guys so, so much. Make sure you enter our 6K giveaway because it ends next weekend, you guys. So I'm going to put that up right here for you guys. I'm going to put another unboxing right here that I think you might enjoy, and I will see you guys later. Love you so much, and thank you guys for having me investigate and look into this box. It is amazing, just absolutely amazing. Love you. Bye.